You may need to provide copies of your notes for somebody else, for example, if you're referring a patient or if an insurance company has asked for the records. In this video, I'm going to show you how to print or export multiple notes for the same patient. First, head to Archive Notes. Use the search bar to find the patient. Select the Batch Edit button, and then select the notes that you need. Click Print, and now right mouse click on the page and select Print. And then choose whether you want to print or save the notes.